chart analysis for price to buy sell for Apple Avian. Listen, this video is inspired by John Kramer. So listen, this is a yesterday video.
Best performing S&P 500 stocks in the third quarter is one that seems unstoppable, and that stock is Apple. This stock's a
So this is the video for yesterday, and then I inspired by him, and then I made the strategy for you for Apple Avian. So if you will see the price, before we go to the chart, we'll discuss a little bit about the price. The current price 707 we made yesterday. So best entry level 673, 676, 20 EMA Ichimoku baseline, and the reversal entry 711, and then the breakout 735, deep dip 527. So we'll see how we can get entries. And the targets here, technical confirmations over here, pro notes over here. You can study. This is your homework. And let's go back to chart. So this is the chart. I made the parallel channel already before I made the video. If you see the price, whenever price come over here, go touch this line, come back, stay in the channel. But now channel broke. So now it retest and go back all the way up. So what's next now? So this is because this channel is invalid anymore, invalid. So if I go up here, let me see if we get any hope. I'm doing with you guys, so just keep patience. Look guys, so we have, if you will see these zones here, it was a resistance. It broke up, broke the channel, go all the way, retest, and then now we hitting again this resistance. So if we will go hit from here, break the channel, so that our next target will be right here. See how these parallel channel work. We were here, right? That was our swing trades. Then we move because channel broke, we here. What's next? From here there's two moves. It can go back to middle channel. This will be about deep dip entry, but it's a bull market. I don't want to wait for deep dip at this time. So I will buy and put a hard stop loss. And our next target will be, now this will be our channel. And already give the entries. This is the target and the chart analysis for on the basis of Ichimoku clouds, Bollinger Band. And maybe you can ask me, hey, this is APP is a very big, large cap for us. We don't want to buy. So I will buy not this stock, APP. I'm buying APPX. 2x long. Here you go, same chart, but I getting entry here, same price because my entry 677, so I will make entry 132. Same indicator, but just like a match the price. So I'm buying instead of APP, I will buy APX. And if I go to our chart, let me go back to the chart again. And this is our old channel daily chart. So now this zone I can zoom out with the 2-hour chart. If I'm seeing here in the 2-hour chart, and let me turn on my EMA, here you go. Whenever price come to 50 EMA on a 2-hour chart, price go up, touch here, go up. Now touch up here and go up here. So sometime all indicators not work at the same, not same. You have, because every stock is different. The movement is different. Then you have to also find the back testing behind which channel is better, which indicators work for me. In this case, look like me a 2-hour chart is very well working so far. It will work again, not sure. But I can check my history in the back, right? So like you driving on the highway eh, can you sure you will there's nothing happen on today when you drive? You say yeah, no, because why? Because I'm driving from last 10 years, it never happened, and I always drive very safe, right? So something similar, but you never surety 100% there will be nothing happen. Whenever you go on road, something always going on. So, but we don't stop working, we don't stop driving, even there is a risk, right? So if you will see here, and then I will see here and go up, this is another chance and possibility. Thank you very much for watching. This is for only for this today, Apple 11, and if you watch my other videos, other stocks are ready to buy. If you want to watch my video, you can watch, but I just tell you Uber is good right now in my opinion. It's not a financial advice, it's just like a I'm just telling you what I'm doing with my money. Uber is good, LAC is good, and then Lyft is on a breakout right now, and then what else? Tesla is also good zone right now. Reversal entry, Tesla. Yeah. And I maybe write on the message in our Discord. This channel is free. My Discord channel is linked below. You can join it and learn together. This is only for educational purpose. And let me go. And you can also all these swing trade strategies you can see here. IQ, UNH. You can these strategy by joining the Discord channel, and then you can see the price to buy, price to sell, BABA, Apple, AMAT, Marvel, OKLO, and so on. Depending on what stock do you want to analyze, and maybe what stock you looking to analyze the chart, we already have a system in our Discord channel. You can find the full strategy and study at home. I think that's all for today. General, let me see the chart. Yes, so price to I'm going to buy today, but XRP, yeah, Uber, LSE, APPX, Rivian is good time to buy right now in my opinion, and Uber and at the current price. Thank you very much for watching. God bless you. Take care.